Hi again, Colin Livingston here, Racing 101, Episode 7. Today's focus is on pre-season prep, which is going to touch a little bit on kart maintenance, a little bit of servicing, getting ready for new regulations, but primarily the focus today is going to be on driver conditioning and fitness. It's an almost always overlooked component. And unless you're really active in racing, it's hard to appreciate how physical a kart can be or how physical a race car can be. And it's vitally important that drivers are ready to go when testing or when the season starts. We'll be doing a future episode on kart build and assembly. So for now, here's a little teaser. This is where the biggest performance gains are found in racing, in the gym. During a ski trip this winter, I suffered a bit of a shoulder injury that put me way behind in my training. Then with tightened restrictions with COVID, this was my first session back at the gym with my personal trainer Antonio in several months. What I'm not able to show was the last 2 months worth of weekly physio appointments to get my shoulder to a condition where I'm actually able to perform again. I can't put into words how much I dislike planks. Now, obviously, we're not doing these exercises because I enjoy them. They develop specific muscles and give me a certain level of conditioning that I'm going to need when I get into my kart later on this year. After some time apart, I think Antonio and I need to really work on our communication. He tried to explain to me what he wanted me to be doing here with my pelvis, which I tried. You can see it ended up in a pretty spectacular collapse. I think we finally got this plank thing figured out. If these bands were around in medieval times, I think they would have been used as the primary torture device. While the elapsed time has been sped up to about 3 minutes, this was an hour-long session. We'll be doing 2 sessions a week for the next 6 weeks just to get ready for race season, plus what I'll do in my home gym in between sessions with Antonio. I'd like to thank Antonio and everyone at Bold Athletics for allowing me to record our session. You can listen to the CanTorque Race Report Thursday afternoons on the Jason Greger Show from 3:40 to 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on TSN 1260 in Edmonton. You can also stream online. We'll have another episode of Racing 101 in 2 weeks.